Hey guys, since it's Father's Day, I wanted to talk a little bit of a few projects that you could make for this upcoming Father's Day. I have my notebook. The first project is these Super Dad mugs. I just thought they were adorable. You can search for ideas on Pinterest. It'll populate with a ton, but this was my number one idea. The next one was shoes, which not every dad wears slippers, I get it, but um, most probably do. And the third one is this football keychain, which I've actually made for markets in the past. Obviously, a lot of dads are sports fans, so it makes sense. The fourth one was this car visor. Every guy usually likes some type of car related item. This was a perfect idea since my dad wears glasses, so I figured if he leaves a pair in the car, he'll never forget them on the go. And the last one are these sports coasters. Again, lots of men like sports, so it actually makes sense. You can make a ton of different variations. I actually might make some of these for my future markets. So these are the 5 that I came up with, but I'm sure there are plenty more. So if any of you have any ideas, leave a comment down below, and please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.